It is a beautiful day in central Arkansas. The morning began with a soft mist rolling from the distant hills, curling through the wide open cattle pasture as the first light breaks across the tall trees. The air is crisp, that perfect balance between cool and comfortable, and it carries the faint scent of fallen leaves and wood smoke from our neighbors' chimneys. I am driving to a local woodland. I will be spending the day there, watching and taking photos of flowers, birds, and local wildlife. A walk in the woodlands is one of those quietly magical experiences that unfolds at its own unhurried pace. The air cooler, stiller, touched with the scent of damp earth and leaves. Sunlight filters through in broken patches. Your footsteps crunch softly on the trail, mingling with the chatter of birds or the rustle of a squirrel darting through underbrush. There's a rhythm to walking there, not for exercise or destination, but simply to be. You might pause to trace the bark of an old oak, notice the lacework of fungi on a fallen log. Every sound seems closer, the wind whispering high in the branches, the creak of trees swaying, maybe the distant tapping of a woodpecker. Time stretches differently in the woods, but in the best way. When you finally emerge back into open air, there's often that pleasant, refreshed quiet inside you, as if the forest lent you a bit of its calm. Hang on, I hear some birds. Is it woodpecker? Let's find out. If the footage is any good, here it is. Oops, it's gone, as there are other people and dogs walking by. Let's go to another location. The good news is this has over 600 acres of bottomland hardwood forest. So, yeah, it will take me a month to cover every corner. It seems like I've found a good location. I do not see any people walking nearby. And yes, that's me lying on the ground, crawling on the ground, to get to the ground level, to get to the eye level of my subjects. In this case, some birds. If the footage is any good, here it is. I carry multiple lenses. This time, I wanted to take some close-up macro-type shots. Oftentimes I forget that there is another whole world of wonders to be explored if we slow down and take a closer look. There are some meadow areas where some wildflowers are still blooming. Then there are a variety of grasses, tall and short, some with beautiful plumes swaying gently in the air. I wonder how often do I take a closer look and appreciate the beauty of Mother Nature. There is beauty everywhere. All I have to do is to learn how to and where to look. All these wildflowers whose names I do not know are already there. This time I take the time to look around and appreciate. I look closely. I notice the details. Some give me the feeling of an artist's painting. It is so beautiful. It is so delicate. It is magical. I also hear a lot of cicada and other critters' sounds. Let me take a closer look, and maybe I will find something interesting. The closer I get, the more the grasshopper reveals its intricate details. Who knew grasshoppers are so beautiful? As I said earlier, it is magical. As I was ready to wrap up my close-up shots and ready to use the long telephoto lens again to see if I find more birds, I stumbled upon this spider. This spider was at least 2 inches in size. I have arachnophobia, meaning I am afraid of spiders. So getting this close-up of this large spider tool, a lot of courage for me. I knew I would have some nightmares. Enough of spiders. I have my 500mm lens on again. Let's try to find some birds. I heard some birds. Let's see what I find. Did I just see a squirrel? I got to have some shots of the squirrel. I love squirrels. They are so cute. The sun is going to set soon. I am tired, and I am also feeling hungry. I am ready to call it a day. There is a lake. I am going to sit by the lake and enjoy the sunset. Thank you, Mother Nature. This is beautiful Arkansas. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and share with your family and friends. Thanks again.